Hi, if you have zero savings right now and you feel like it's impossible to build wealth, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you simple plan by plan step to go from zero to build real wealth. No complicated strategies, no shortcuts, just practical steps that actually works for everyone's life. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ravi Jaglan and here we talk about money, investing and how to become financial freedom, and how you can grow your wealth. A simple step-by-step process that works for everyone. Let's get started. First thing you need to change is your mindset. Most people think I don't earn enough, so I can't build wealth, but that's not completely true. Wealth is not about how much you can earn, it's about how you manage what you earn. Some even small amounts can grow your money into a big wealth, but only condition is that you need to be consistent. So stop thinking and stop saying I can't and just start thinking how can I start doing this. So the first step would be control your money. Before investing, you need to know where is your money going. Before tracking your expenses, simple rule you can follow is 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your savings and investing. If 20% feels too much, you can start with 5% if that's okay for you. Some of the people, they also save like more than 20%. So let's be practical, and the most important thing is the consistent amount that you need to invest. Remember this line: if you can't manage $100 in your life, you can't even manage $10,000 either. Step 2 would be the emergency fund. This is the serious one. Everybody should be very important and focused on this one. So to build an emergency fund, that should be your safety net. Start with 1 month of expenses, then slowly build it to 3 to 6 months. Why is it important? Because life is unpredictable, and if something went wrong, you don't want to go back to zero again. Alright, so our step 3 would be how we can start investing. So this is the most important step: how to invest and where to invest. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even 50 or 100 bucks per week is enough. Start with simple investments like index funds or ETFs. These are very low cost and they can grow over time. And here's the magic: compound interest. Your money start earning money, but then that money earns more money. So in other words, I would say money attracts money. That's how your wealth is built. You just need to give the time. Alright, our next step would be consistency. I know this is the most important thing to focus on, and this is where most people fail. They start over and over and then they stop. Markets will go up over the long period of time, and then they sometimes will also go down. It depends on the market cycles. So because in the long run, consistency will give you ahead. Alright, so our next step would be increase your income. Yes, we should be focused on our primary income. So saving is good, but earning more is very powerful. Learn new skills, start a side hustle, and grow in your career. More important you earn, the more you can invest and faster you can grow. So in my closing remarks, I would say, remember, every wealthy person once started from zero. The difference is they started early and become consistent. That's how they become a big, and how the empire is built. Alright, so you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start, and start as early as possible. Alright, my call would be for you: if you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing simple finance tips to help you grow step by step. And comment below what's your biggest challenge in saving or investing. I'll personally try to help you. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.